Hello students, today's our topic is a coordination compound or complex compound. As the name indicate, complex compound. It means bit difficult compounds. As we know, NaCl, KCl, KNO3, etc., potassium carbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium chloride, etc. These are simple compounds. Quite simple. So simple compounds. Then we know Mohr salt or potash alum. Formula of Mohr salt is ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, water. Potash alum is potassium sulfate, aluminium sulfate with 24 water molecules. So these consist of more than one salt, ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate. So under the heading of double salt. But today's topic is coordination compound. As clear from their structure, there is bracket, CO, cobalt, ammonia and 3Cl. Another coordination compound is okay, this one. These are complex compound. As their structure is a bit complex, more difficult than simple compounds, as well as compared to double salt. In this compound, this one, this cobalt or any other metal, maybe chromium, iron, manganese, any metal. This is known as central metal atom or ion. If it carries no charge, it can be atom. If it has charge, it is ion. Then small bracket, ammonia or any other molecule, water, Cl, Br, NO2 negative, ONO negative. These are known as ligands. Number of ligands, 6. This is known as coordination number. The first question is, as you know, okay, what is the coordination number of cobalt? Definition accordingly, it is the number of ligand attached, that is 6. So coordination number of cobalt is 6. So central metal atom, ligand, number of ligand 6, coordination number, and charge which appears on the square bracket. As you know, we have 3Cl. So charge carried by the square bracket is plus 3. So this charge plus 3, it is known as charge on coordination sphere. Charge on coordination sphere is plus 3. Similarly, charge carried by the cobalt is oxidation state. Due to chloride, charge on the sphere is plus 3. Ammonia is neutral. Charge carried by the cobalt is plus 3. So oxidation state of cobalt is plus 3. As you have discussed in the lower classes, so we have to define central metal atom or ion, ligand, coordination number, oxidation state. Okay. Then first of all, what is the central metal atom or ion? As clear from the formula, so cobalt is a central metal atom to which ligands are attached. So this is the definition. Metal atom that is cobalt. So we start with the ligands. Ligands, atom to which ligands are attached, atom that is cobalt to which ligands are attached is known as a central metal atom. Then we have to define ligand. So ammonia is a ligand attached to the cobalt. So any molecule, let it be ammonia, water, Cl, Br, molecule or ion attached to the central metal atom, molecule, atom, ion attached to this central metal atom is known as ligand. Charge carried by the square bracket is known as charge on coordination sphere. Then coordination number. Coordination number is the number of ligands. Number of ligands attached to the metal is known as coordination number. Then oxidation state. So in this example, oxidation state of cobalt is +3. So that is charge. So it is the charge carried by the central metal atom is known as oxidation state. And finally we have coordination compound. So this whole is coordination compound. So in this compound, coordination compound, number of ligands, whether neutral, negatively charged or even positively charged, attached to the central metal atom or ion. So this is coordination compound. Next is types of ligands. Types of ligands. For example, ammonia is one of the type. So in this heading, we have unidentate ligands. So these are types. Discussion is later on. Unidentate ligands, bidentate ligands, tridentate, tetradentate, pentadentate, and finally we have hexadentate. For example, in case of ammonia, NH3, in this case, ammonia, nitrogen carries one lone pair. So therefore nitrogen is a donor atom. In case of ammonia ligand, donor atom is nitrogen. So ammonia contains one donor atom. So therefore ammonia is example of unidentate. Similarly, water, H2O, oxygen has two lone pairs. It can donate its one lone pair. Or donor atom is oxygen. It is again under the heading of unidentate. If ligand contains two donor atom, it is bidentate. 3, 4, 5. As the name indicates, 6 donor atom. Under the heading of hexadentate ligand. Let us discuss in detail. As the first type is the unidentate. Example is water. As already discussed, donor atom is oxygen. Ammonia, donor atom is nitrogen. Chloro, Cl negative, that is chloride, contains only Cl. Donor atom is Cl. Similarly, Br negative, donor atom is Br. NO2 negative, it is again unidentate ligand. It may contains nitrogen or oxygen as donor atom. Both are donor atom, but at a time one atom behave as donor atom. Similarly, We have bidentate ligands. As the name indicate, it has two donor atoms. Example is NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. Donor atom is this nitrogen as well as this one. Now, you have to remember its name, ethylene diamine. It carries no charge. It is neutral. Donor atom, this nitrogen as well as this one. Donor atom, two nitrogen atoms. Its symbol is En. Symbol. So हर लिगेंड वास्ते बेटे तुसी इसका सिंबल, डोनर एटम, चार्ज, एज इन दिस केस इट इज न्यूट्रल, एंड इट्स फुल नेम, ये सारा कुछ याद करना है. कंसिडर सेकंड लिगेंड, दैट इज NH2CH2COO negative. Again two donor atoms. One is nitrogen, other one is oxygen. Donor atom, nitrogen and oxygen. Its name is glycinate ion. Charge is -1. ये वाला. Symbol is GLY. As its symbol is En, it is GLY. Donor atom nitrogen and oxygen. दोनों nitrogen. Neutral, charge, glycinate ion, its name is ethylene diamine. So you have to remember charge, donor atom, glycinate symbol and its full name. Similarly, you have to study structure of tridentate. Symbol is Dn. You have to study its full name, charge, donor atom. Similarly, tetradentate. Example is triene. Pentadentate. Example is EDTA-3. Its full name is ethylene diamine triacetate. E ethylene, D diamine, triacetate ion. So next example is hexadentate. EDTA-4. The only difference is regarding charge. This T and this one. The difference is it is triacetate, it is tetraacetate. Rest of the name is same. The difference is regarding charge. So this is the structure of EDTA-4. So this is nitrogen. Nitrogen CH2 nitrogen, and 4 groups are there, CH2 CO negative. Similarly this one and this one. Charge is -1, -2, -3, -4. So this is the charge. Donor atoms are 1 oxygen, 2. So this is the donor atom, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 nitrogen. That is 4 donor atom oxygen, 2 donor atom nitrogen. So you have to remember its symbol, its name, its structure and number of donor atom. Total 6. Sometime question is give one example of hexadentate ligand. Then your answer is EDTA-4. Full name, symbol, structure, donor atom.